Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P Smart Z, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to open up Settings app, and from there choose Storage, and at the top you'll see your SD card. So for me it's the SanDisk. Tap on it, and at the bottom you'll find now Format option. So you can tap on that. It will give you a message that this process will remove all the data from it. So, well, if there's anything that you wish to keep, you might want to do it before you begin, otherwise you will lose it all. But assuming you already have done that, or you don't care to keep anything from it, tap on Erase and Format, and the process will begin. Now it takes just a couple seconds, and it's about done. There we go. So once it's finished, which it is now, the card is immediately ready to be used again. And that is how you would format it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.